Hi everyone, welcome back. So guys, I think we found a very interesting free trigger plugin. This plugin gives almost an accurate result. Now, for the sake of those who don't know what a trigger plugin is, this is a plugin designed to dictate drum hits and trigger samples easily, quickly, and accurately. I was surprised at the result I got. Without wasting much of your time, let's have a listen. So guys, you had it. It is super easy now to swap your drum sample with your favorite processed, well-refined sound from your sample pack. And the plugin is called Trigger Pro and it is by Limbus Audio. Let me quickly walk you through to make it a lot easier for you to understand how to use it. And as you can see, the UI is resizable, which is super useful and handy. Now to this section here is actually where you load your sample. On their official website, they provided some free samples, you can try it out. And I think the extension is in LTP. I'm not familiar with that, and I'm not sure if it also accepts Wave. I didn't try that, but I believe it should, and it's gonna be drag and drop. Let me quickly check that out. Let's try this kick. Oh wow, it worked. I turned it off, so let's see if we can hear this. Oh wow, you can see it is possible, and that is amazing. Now to this section, all you need to do is to click to load the sample they provided, and once you load it, it comes up like this. So this is how it will populate. Then you click to access the sound in each folder. So we're able to hear the playback because we enabled this. If you turn it off, you won't be able to hear anything. So once you've gotten the sample you like, you double click to choose that sample. And as you can see, it's assigned to the second one. Why? Because something is already occupying here. So if you are in such situation, all you need to do is to right click here and you see clear selected instance. Just click on that, it will take it off. And right now when you now double click, it comes to the first one, as you can see. So to this section here is the parameters to really fine tune your sound. Now let me quickly show you something. So let's say we have a drum loop sample just like this one, and as you can see, it is coming from the mixer channel 1, and there we have a kick sound and a snare sound. Now on that channel we inserted Trigger Pro, and let's say we want to target the kick, we switch to kick to target the kick. Now this is where these features, these ones here, come in handy. So let me just demonstrate it so that you understand better. So to this section here is the input knob. You get the threshold. This is actually the most important feature here. This helps you shape the exact sample you are going for. It's more like a gate, setting the gate to just pick only the kick or the snare. Although on default, this plugin is already doing an amazing work, but you can still hear that kind of abnormal sound. That is just the plugin picking or catching some sound from the snare. So with this, you can now fine tune that. You know, when I turned it off, it is crazy. Then when you bring it all the way up, it is now controlling it more better. Now, followed by the separation feature, which is the second most important feature to achieve a cleaner sound swapping, if I may put it that way. Now, let's see what happens. So you noticed when I went all the way up, it wasn't the sound I was going for. It was cutting too much from the real original sound. And remember, this is what we have before. That was the original kick. And by the way, this is the mix knob. You can blend the processed, which is the swapped sound, with the original sound. Okay, so now we have this. Now you get the output knob, and interestingly, they have a clip feature to help you tame those excessive peaks, and have your sample controlled. Now, right above here is the algorithm to switch if you are targeting on the drums, the snare, or the toms. Now, this is where I'm a little bit confused. I don't know if they will still populate this in time to come, because I believe, not sure, but feel there should be like hi-hats, cymbals, all those elements that make up a drum sample. Let's say you are focusing on drums, so we just have these three. I might be wrong, but guys, let me know in the comments if you have deeper knowledge about this plugin. Now here we have these two called the bleed, which we'll check out shortly. Now this other one is the hit guard, which we'll also find out shortly. So that's basically it. And on each you have the phase inversion feature, you have the mute and the solo. Now you can replay the sample with this feature. You can pan right and left, then you can increase or reduce the trigger processed sample. Now let me get a loop and check out these two features right here. All right, now we have a drum loop sample for the demonstration, and this is what it sounds like. Okay, so we'll try to target the kick. All right, let's see how well it's gonna do. Awesome, controlled. Now let's see what the bleed and the hit guard, what they actually. Honestly guys, I had no noticeable impact, and this other section here, which is actually for tuning, they called it tune match. So let's see what happens. Interesting, it changed the pitch of the sample, which I'm not sure of what is happening. And over here we have another feature called okay, I believe it is for velocity. Now finally to this section, it has to do with setting up the MIDI, structuring a pattern or something of that nature. I have not tried it, so in today's video we're not gonna go into that. Just wanted to quickly show you how clean this plugin actually triggers a processed sample from your sample pack to replace a live drum or drum loop. And if you check over here, you can actually switch between light mode, which I am not comfortable with, it is too bright, and as well you can switch to dark mode. And right above here, to be very honest guys, I don't really know what these two features are for. One is labeled soft hits and the other one is hard hits. So, but don't take it for what I'm saying. I'll be leaving the link in the description. Try it and let us know exactly what you think about this plugin. And remember, it is 100% free from the developer Limbus Audio. So guys, that is it for Trigger Pro by Limbus Audio, and that brings us to the end of today's video. Just wanted to quickly bring this amazing free plugin to you guys. Should you need something like this at the moment, you stand a chance to get it for yourself and continue with your project. And if you want to check out amazing free plugins I've covered on this channel, I have two videos on the screen right now. One is a playlist where I've covered a whole lot of plugins that might interest you, and the other video is an interesting, I think one of my go-to clipper plugin that is better than some paid clipper plugins. So check out any of them that interest you, and I will see you there. As always, stay creative, stay focused, and bye for now.